our system doesn't fail, and there's no need for preventative maintenance. Using John Guest fittings was some of the major reasons for our success. We could not have done it without them. My name is Shaquille Merchant, and I'm the co-founder of Prodew, Aguair, and ProWorkers. I used to work for Itamar Kleinberger, my co-founder. We started this company about 20 years ago.
We initially were the small players in the industry, and now we control about 80% of anything that has to do with misting and humidity in the supermarket environment. I can go on and on. Pretty much every chain that you know about, we're almost in all of them.
Prodew and Aguair combined produce a lot of different variation of products. Prodew concentrates on the retail end, going from the misting systems to the humidification systems in the meat and seafood cases. Aguair focuses on everything that's outside the retail umbrella. Agriculture, livestock, going into some of your public sectors and for sanitization purposes. So they're all encapsulated in enhancing or preserving the product line.
We started using John Guest all the way from the beginning. Part of our success is the quality of our product. Using John Guest made our product top quality.
Once the fitting has been put in, we don't want to go back to the store and fix it. So the reliability is an important factor. Our customers, like Kroger's and the Walmarts of the world, they trust us because of our quality. And in order to maintain that quality, we had to provide them with the best product possible.
Because we consider ourselves more of an engineering firm, we look at things from a very crucial eye. We time test everything.
When we tested John Guest, it met that quality factor.
John Guest fittings are some of the highest quality product. In the last couple of decades, I would say that we have used well over 100,000 fittings.
Many thousands.
I would say millions of fittings that we've gone through. But John Guest is the most reliable, and that's a critical part of what we stand for. Quality of product at a competitive price.
It makes us look better, and that's why we've been using exclusively John Guest.